Hi guys, my name is Urshi and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a very huge Amazon haul. I don't think I have done an Amazon haul on my channel ever because मैं बहुत कम चीजें मंगवाती हूँ Amazon से and that too very random and I don't like really shop from there, but like this time I just shifted to a new house and a new city, so I had a lot of things to buy generally also, and this Amazon's Great Indian Festival sale was just around the corner. So I was like, why not wait for it? And I'll order everything that I need from there. And uske saath, I feel like necessities ke saath, I have also ordered some of my wants with my needs. So this whole video is going to be long. So get yourself some coffee or something to eat and let's get started. So as I mentioned, I really have a very random thought process of what I am ordering, and generally it's like कि मुझे जो चीज जब नीड होती है वो मैं मंगा लेती हूँ. So I don't even have an order जिसमें मैं ये चीजें आपको दिखाऊंगी. So I'm going to start very random, starting with the first thing that I have bought is this heatless curler. So I saw Muskan Rawat use this and I was so impressed of कितना अच्छे से ये work करता है. But to be honest, I tried it and I have put a shorts, I believe. या फिर if not, you can just check it on my Instagram. I tried it and I don't know. I have some thoughts about it, but I really want to give it another shot. क्योंकि what happens is ना कि I have layer cut. So मैं जब भी किसी चीज के अराउंड अपने बाल रैप करती हूँ तो वो बहुत easily बाहर निकल जाते हैं. And for this, I feel like you need a very long hair first. And secondly, कोई आड़ी टेढ़ी कट नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि फिर वो रैप नहीं होंगे इसके अराउंड. So I will give it another try, but for now I'll say it's a 5 on 10 for me because I don't think it was worth it. Also, मेरे बाल बहुत ज़्यादा silky है, so it did, curl my hair, but वो जब मैंने खोला तब अच्छे दिख रहे थे. Everything was good, but what happened is कि it stayed only for 30 minutes max, and I don't think it wasn't very easy to sleep with this. So I don't think इतना सब कुछ करना was worth it for just 30 minutes. So I think I'll have to try using it with some different, serums या फिर hair care products or anything of that sort, because I really want it to work because I love curling my hair. मतलब ऐसे natural वाले curls. So I will definitely give this another shot. But for now, okay. Secondly, I am obsessed with this product. Like I bought it 2 days ago, I believe, and मैं तब से लेके I have started taking so many selfies, so many videos because it has made my life so much simpler. And I'm talking about these, phone stickers that you get. I think you must have seen this on almost every other creator's channel recently because trust me guys, if you are a creator you definitely need this. मतलब तुम रिंग लाइट छोड़ो, तुम ट्राइपॉड छोड़ो, ट्राइपॉड तो छोड़ ही दो इसकी वजह से. You can literally peel this and stick it on your phone cover और उसके बाद तुम्हारी फोन कहीं पे भी तुम चिपका सकते हो, like wall छोड़ के बाकी you can stick it anywhere. So I am obsessed with this. The only drawback is कि ये एक नहीं मिलेगा आपको Amazon पे. So I also had to buy 5 or 6 का ये पैक था for 340 or 350 I believe. But I think I have उतने phones and gadgets कि I can use at least two या three to you know make use out of it. But this is so good और इसमें बिल्कुल डर नहीं लगेगा, वो नहीं नीचे गिरता है. I have tried it. Literally आपको खींच के निकालना पड़ता है. So it's amazing. नेक्स्ट अगर हम क्रिएटर्स के इसकी बात कर ही रहे कि आपको कौन से इक्विपमेंट्स लगते हैं. सो आई रिसेंटली बॉट अ लाइट. सो दिस इज अ पैनल लाइट, आई बिलीव इट्स कॉल्ड अ पैनल लाइट. एंड आई सॉ अ लॉट ऑफ क्रिएटर्स यूजिंग some different kinds of light and मेरे पास एक रिंग लाइट है. like I bought it around 3 to 4 years back, but उस टाइम पे my YouTube या Insta was not इतना बिग या फिर इतना एक्टिव नहीं थी मैं. सो आई जस्ट गॉट अ वेरी स्मॉल रिंग लाइट एंड अभी वो मुझे बिल्कुल भी यूज नहीं आती है बिकॉज इट्स वेरी थिन ऑल्सो एंड वेरी स्मॉल इन साइज एंड उसकी लाइट इज नॉट इनफ फॉर माई वीडियोज. सो प्लस आई वॉज एट होम अब तक. I had work from home and all of that, so I was shooting in sunlight. But abhi I work every day. Like I have to go to office every day, that too Monday to Saturday. So I don't have a lot of time to shoot in daylight. So I needed a very good light for my videos. कि अगर if I have to do any emergency shoots या फिर कुछ urgency में I have to send a brand or something, so I need a good light. So for that I invested in this panel light. I'll add a clip of this panel light and इसकी light इतनी अच्छी है. You also get a remote with it, but इसके पीछे भी there are buttons. So what happened is कि जब आई तो इसके रिमोट में सेल्स नहीं थे. So I felt कि ये okay, how am I going to change it? Because इसमें 3 लाइट सेटिंग्स है, white, off white and this yellowish. So मैं वही सोची थी मैं कैसे करूंगी. But then I realized गलती से I touched that buttons वाला जो सिस्टम था पीछे का. Those are टच वाले बटन्स. सो वो बाहर नहीं है. सो आई डेंट नो कि ये बटन्स है एक्चुअली. दोज आर टच buttons, so you can use it without remote also. And I got this for rupees 1400 या 1300 something I believe. And trust me, इससे सस्ता तो नहीं मिलेगा because I went to वो light market in Mumbai. It's near CST. And वहाँ पे I asked the price for this one. और यहाँ वहाँ थे ही नहीं. मतलब they had सिर्फ panel light और उसका price they were telling 2000 या 2200 something without a tripod. And this one is with tripod. And इसके tripod की height भी काफी अच्छी है. Like it's around my height and I'm 5'6", so it's around 5'5" या 5'2" I believe. कुछ तो है, बड़ी है काफी. So yeah, it has changed a lot of things for me. I am so happy with this purchase. I'm definitely going to recommend this to all of the creators out there. Definitely get your hands on this. Next, I have bought this Vegas comb because I generally use ऐसी combs. I like these combs and ignore this. ये निकल गया मेरे हाथ से गलती से. And what happens is कि ये बहुत easily मेरे बालों को detangle कर देती है. So I have stopped using the general जो पतली सी comb आती है. Like since I was 18 I believe and I'm 24 right now. So I think you can do the math. So I'm not going back to those general combs. These are the best. मेरी पहले वाली जो comb थी वो गलती से मेरे हाथ से गिर गई and it's damaged now. So I had to get a new one. So I got this Vega wali and I think it's good. I believe कि अच्छी है. I have used it and I don't have a lot of things to say about comb to be honest. It's a good purchase and very affordable. Next, I got this Soka set because I wanted a cleaner. I had a tumbler with glass straw, but उसको clean करने के लिए मेरे पास cleaner नहीं था. And I went to a lot of shops, but उस पे cleaner कहीं पे भी अलग से नहीं मिल रहा था because I think कि ये बहुत छोटा सा cleaner है, इससे कोई मतलब नहीं होता है. इतने से cleaner कोई नहीं बेच रहा होता है. So यही एक option था कि आप cleaner के साथ straws हो. So I thought कि चलो अब लेना ही है तो best place to buy it is from Amazon क्योंकि बाहर मुझे महंगे मिल रहे थे. So I bought this and I think it's very nice क्योंकि इसमें I actually bought 2 of them. One is with my sister and one I have it. So I have used उसका cleaner and it's very nice and plus इसके जो straws है वो भी are steel straws so you can reuse them. Next I have some accessories also. So मेरे पास ना कोई भी bracelets नहीं है. For some reason I'm always out of bracelets and always out of watches. Basically anything to wear in my hand. So I saw this very trending piece on Amazon, like on Insta also. This is how it looks like. It is so beautiful. So beautiful. Just look at it. ये बहुत प्यारा है. So I had to get this and plus its quality and all is very nice, so I have no complaints. And it was for around 250 या 300ish something. And जो भी मैं छोटी चीजें दिखा रही हूँ ना वो ऐसी ही रेंज में है. It's around 250, 300, 350 maximum. उससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है छोटी चीजों में. बड़ी में of course you have to invest. Next, एक और bracelet I ordered and this तो is fully viral on Instagram and Pinterest. This is what I'm talking about. आई नो आपने ये कहीं ना कहीं देखा होगा, एंड आई नो कि ये कुछ टाइम बाद चीजें बहुत ज्यादा फेमस होके ऐसे सबके पास होती है, बट आई फील लाइक कि हर इंसान सेम चीजों को सेम तरीके से स्टाइल नहीं करता है, एंड एनी टाइम you will be different from any other person on this planet. So why think about कि ये common होने वाला है? So I got it, and anyways I wanted something good. और I know you are thinking कि ये golden golden क्यों लिया है दोनों? Because I love wearing gold. I don't know what actually suits me. I feel like कि gold suits me better than silver. But ठीक है, कोई कोई चीजें silver भी suit कर जाती है. So this was the second bracelet that I got, and this also was for rupees 300 या 330 something. I will definitely add all the links down below in my description box, so you don't have to worry. वो check कर लेना, वहाँ पे सब मिल जाएगा. And next, I actually saw Mridul Sharma having these protein bars, and I thought of, giving them a try, because what happens is that I leave for office and वहाँ पे जाके I have coffee and all, and I skip my breakfast, and I'm so hungry by the time of lunch कि I need something to, snack on उस duration के बीच में. So I tried this snack, protein bar from Max Protein. एंड आई लव्ड इट. मतलब मुझे लग रहा था कि लोगों ने ऐसा क्यों बना के रखा है कि प्रोटीन बार्स अच्छे नहीं होते. इट वॉज यम्मी, एंड सेम गोज फॉर द योगा बार, ऐसा ही नाम है उसका कुछ, योगास प्रोटीन बार. दैट वॉज ऑल्सो यम्मी, बट वो छोटा था एंड उसका प्रोटीन वॉज कम. मुझे सीरियसली बताऊं तो प्रोटीन से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. द ओनली थिंग आई केयर इज कि वो मुझे थोड़ा फिलिंग लगे, एंड दिस वन डिड इट. सो मैंने ट्राई किया एंड देन आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम Amazon, क्योंकि यहाँ पे I was getting it on MRP offline, so I got it from Amazon, and this is what I am talking about. And I got whole pack actually. Yeah, I know I'm crazy, but इसमें सिर्फ 6 पीस थे, so don't judge me. And it has 4 right now because I had one and one is in my office bag. So yeah, I got this one. I got it for rupees 54, 53 each, क्योंकि मैंने ये पैक लिया, but actually the MRP is 75 rupees. So yeah, I got what do we say it? अंडर आर्म रोल ऑन, बिकॉज मैं निविया का ही अंडर आर्म रोल ऑन यूज करती हूँ, एंड वो खत्म हो गया है. एंड लास्ट मंथ में मेरी सिस्टर का भी अंडर आर्म रोल ऑन खत्म हो गया था, सो आई सजेस्टेड दिस वन टू हर. एंड अभी इस बार वो नवरात्रि में शी केम टू विजिट मी, एंड शी टोल्ड मी कि दिस वन इज वर्किंग सो गुड फॉर हर. लाइक वो लिटरली अपने स्किन टोन में डिफरेंस देख पा रही है, लाइक द अंडर आर्म स्किन ऑफकोर्स. एंड आई थॉट कि चलो ठीक है, मेरा भी खत्म ही हो गया, सो व्हाई नॉट ट्राई दिस वन. आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर कि कुछ ऐसा होता है कि नहीं, बट आई गिव यू माई रिव्यू ऑन इट. खोलने के लिए स्ट्रगल कर रही हूँ गाइस. सो दिस इज व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. This is the B Body Wise 4% AHA BHA underarm roll-on, and I think इसमें AHA BHA है, इसलिए like they are exfoliating agents, इसलिए उसका ऐसा ऐसा रिव्यू है कि it helps in with the lightening of underarms. And ठीक है, I have actually bought it just because I love using underarm roll-ons. So this is how it looks like from inside. And I'm expecting it to be good. और इसमें बहुत सारे और actually fragrance के options थे. Okay, I like the fragrance actually. And I generally used underarm roll-ons because of the fragrance only. I want to, smell fresh all day long. And that's the only thing I use underarm roll-ons. I don't have problem with dark underarms or anything of that sort. But I thought कि ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत darkness तो होता ही है. So why not, target two things together, like fragrance as well as darkness. So I'm definitely going to update you guys on this. But so next, I saw Malvika Siplani suggesting this, so I bought these nipple pasties from Amazon. Now this is the same exact one she actually recommended in some of her Amazon videos, I believe, and I had it in my cart for so long because I think वो last year का उनका video है, and I had added it to my cart last year, but I didn't feel the need to buy it. But somehow I thought कि चलो अभी I have the need, and it comes in this packet, so it's very easy to store also. And I don't remember इसमें कितने packs है. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have 4 pairs. You get 4 pairs, and I still can't give you an update on this also, like a review on this, because I haven't tried it, to be honest. And yeah, सुबह को ही deliver हुआ है, but I had to make this Amazon haul. So yeah, I'm showing you this, but I think कि अच्छा काम करेगा. I'll update you guys with this review also. I feel like कि इतनी चीजें मैंने ले ली है ना कि सबका review भी मुझे देना is important अभी. Second last item of this haul, I got this aqua color slip on fashion on lens pack. I'm wearing one of those lenses, and I generally use these lenses only. The shade is gray. Let me just check the exact name. Yeah, it's Tommy Gray. And what I do is कि मैं छोटा वाला पैक लेती हूँ, like 1 pair only, and I feel कि फिर वो इतना easily, like it's use and throw, but I still use it for 2 times क्योंकि मैं बहुत कम पहन के रखती हूँ. I store it, I use it for 2 times and then I throw it away. But अभी I thought कि थोड़ा ज़्यादा बड़ा invest कर लेते हैं, so I bought 10, मतलब 5 pairs, and it was for 400 only. Actually, it was a pretty good deal क्योंकि जब मैं सिर्फ एक pair लेती हूँ, so I get it for around 160. 200 का कुछ होता है, and I get it for 160. So 160 के हिसाब से if you calculate for 5 pairs, it's a lot. It's around 1000, but I got it for rupees 400 or 450, and I love it. Like, they are very comfortable, and you get a lot of color options also, so you can get some of those for yourself. Coming on to our last product, this is a big girl purchase. लड़की बड़ी हूँ, purchase बड़ा नहीं है, but I just wanted to show you guys कि I got. Can you guess कि मैं क्या दिखाने वाली हूँ? It's very random. I told you I get very random stuff from Amazon. So मैंने उल्टा पकड़ा. I have got a 2-in-1 mop from Amazon from Scotch Brite, because यहाँ पे मुंबई में the maids and their prices I can't handle them. Like, I tried क्योंकि अब तक तो I was doing all the work by myself, but यहाँ पे, as I told you, office, so I thought कि I'll keep a maid, but नहीं हुआ. Like, they have so many nakras and chuttis and what not, and उसके ऊपर से भी they are charging so much. So चलो, I gave up on her. She came for like 5 days and then took 2 days छुट्टी, and उसके बाद she said कि अरे आप मैम कम पैसे दे रहे हो ना, इसलिए यार कम पैसे देने से छुट्टी का क्या रिलेशन है. बट ठीक है, I gave up. And I thought कि मैं खुद ही कर लूंगी. It's better to do it on your own. So I ordered this. बहुत बहुत पुराना है ये. You must have seen it कि you can use it, like you can drain the water from here and fill the water here. And this is the mop वाला part. और इसके साथ एक extra भी है. So I thought it's a good deal. I got it for 1000 rupees, I think. And yeah, I'll have to build it, but this was something that I got from my home, and I think मैंने और भी चीजें ली होगी, but I don't remember. But इतना सारी चीजें तो मैंने अभी ली है, अभी for sure. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some things, some useful things from this video, and I'll definitely leave all the links in my description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And if you want more such, haul videos with some random stuff, I will be very happy to do that. Just let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in the next video very, very soon. Bye.